Hello and welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect a domain name with your Shopify store. So for example, if you just take a look at this store, which I have got designed, I've got this domain name, which is not professional. So we're going to connect a branded domain name with this store step by step. So first of all, I have got the domain name purchased in Namecheap. So here is the domain. And now I have to click here on manage for this domain specifically, and make sure this name server settings is set to Namecheap basic DNS at the first glance. And after that, we have to click here on advanced DNS option. After that, you're going to find this DNS templates option. So simply click on choose DNS template. And after that, we're going to select Shopify. And then we're going to click on this tick mark. So let's click on save and let's click on continue. Here you go, success, your template has been set up. Please allow some time for the change to take effect. So it might gonna take a few minutes to up to a few hours. So usually it's within 5 minutes it gets connected. So we are done with this part. Now we are gonna go back to our Shopify backend. And after that, we have to go here on and click on this settings option. And after that, we're gonna find this domains option right here. And after that, we're going to find this option, connect existing or buy new domain. So since we are connecting this domain, I'm going to copy this from here, from Namecheap. So I'm going to click on connect existing. Otherwise, you can click on buy new domain and purchase a new one. So I'm going to click on connect existing. And after that, we're going to paste the domain that we have just copied from Namecheap and then click on next. And as you can see here, the domain records are pointing to Shopify. So since we have made the change right here, so it just got verified and now it is getting live on various locations. And now it is working for the TLS certificate for secure connections so that we can see these SSL ports, right? The secure sign. All right. So let me just try visiting this website from here and paste it right here. Let's try visiting this site. And here you go. Our site is already live. You can see it's under this domain name. From this domain, it's just connecting to this domain now, right? So if I reload this, we're going to be able to visit our actual website. So now anyone can visit this website through our actual domain name or the branded domain name, and if they want, they can simply go to the products and purchase the products. And after that, one more information that you need to keep in mind, or important thing that you need to keep in mind. So when you are setting up this domain, make sure you are selecting this domain type as primary domain. For me, it connected or got selected automatically, but if you don't see it, if you see it in any of these options, make sure you are selecting to primary domain so that people will be able to visit your website by using the actual domain like this, right? So this was it for this video. I believe you have found this video helpful. If you have got any question at all or any confusion, please feel free to let me know by commenting below, and don't forget to share your opinion as well by commenting. And I hope to see you in my next videos. Have a good one. Bye.